Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 2.08 AR FTS engine is a significant departure for Toyota, representing their entry into the modern small displacement, turbocharged gasoline engine market, particularly for premium models. Introduced around 2014, it's part of Toyota's AR engine family, but stands out due to its forced induction and advanced technologies. Engine overview and history. The 8AR FTS is a 2.0-liter, 1998 cubic centimeters, inline, 4 turbocharged gasoline engine. It's a highly sophisticated unit featuring dual VVTIW, variable valve timing intelligent wide. This allows for both Otto and Atkinson cycle operation, optimizing efficiency under light loads and power under heavier loads. D4ST, direct injection, 4-stroke gasoline engine superior version with turbo. This advanced fuel injection system combines both direct injection and traditional port injection. This helps mitigate carbon buildup on intake valves, a common direct injection issue, and optimize fuel delivery for various engine conditions. Twin-scroll turbocharger. This design helps reduce turbo lag and improve throttle response by separating exhaust pulses. Integrated exhaust manifold in the cylinder head. This aids in quicker catalyst warm-up and better thermal management. Water-cooled intercooler. Improves intake air density for better performance. Timing chain. Like other AR engines, it uses a timing chain for valve timing. The 8AR FTS was first introduced in the Lexus NX 200T, later renamed NX 300, in 2014, marking Lexus's move into turbocharged 4-cylinder engines in key markets. It subsequently found its way into other Lexus models, as well as some Toyota vehicles, particularly in Asian markets. Applications. The 8AR FTS engine has been used in Lexus N times 200T divided by N times 300, AGZ 10/15. Lexus IS 200T / IS 300, ASE 30. Lexus GS 200T / GS 300, ARL 10. Lexus R times 200T divided by R times 300, AGL 2025. Lexus RC 200T / RC 300, ASC 10. Toyota Crown, ARS 210 / ARS 220, primarily in Japan and China. Toyota Highlander, XU50, China. Toyota Harrier Turbo, XU60, Japan, 2017 to 2020. Opinions and review. The 8AR FTS is generally well regarded for its smooth power delivery, refinement, and respectable fuel economy for a turbocharged engine. It provides a good balance of performance for the luxury vehicles it powers, offering a noticeable step up in torque compared to naturally aspirated counterparts. Drivers appreciate its responsiveness, especially in urban driving. However, as a more complex turbocharged engine, opinions sometimes reflect a trade-off in absolute long-term simplicity compared to Toyota's naturally aspirated workhorses. Advantages. Strong torque and responsiveness. The twin-scroll turbocharger provides excellent low-end torque, making the vehicles feel powerful and responsive in everyday driving. Fuel efficiency. With the combination of VVTIW, Atkinson cycle capability, and direct/port injection, it achieves good fuel economy for its performance class. Refinement. It's a smooth and relatively quiet engine, fitting well with the luxury ethos of Lexus vehicles. D4ST system. The dual injection system helps mitigate carbon buildup on intake valves, a common issue with direct injection-only engines. Timing chain. Utilizes a timing chain, which is designed to last the life of the engine, reducing scheduled maintenance. Integrated exhaust manifold. Improves thermal efficiency and packaging. Disadvantages. Complexity. Being a modern turbocharged, dual-injection engine, it's inherently more complex than naturally aspirated engines, potentially leading to higher repair costs if issues arise. Dependency on electronics/ECU. Some reported issues are tied to the engine management system, requiring dealership diagnosis and potentially software reprogramming. This means less DIY friendliness for some problems. Early unit issues. Valve guides/VRV. Some early units, e.g., 2015 to 2017 model year vehicles, reportedly experienced issues like alarming valve guide leaks at low mileages. There were also service bulletins L-153-17, addressing a rocking forward and back sensation or buzzing noise, often linked to the vacuum regulating valve, VRV, on early units. These issues seem to have largely disappeared in engines built after late 2017/early 2018. Premium fuel recommended, due to its high compression ratio, 10.0 to 1, and turbocharging. Premium unleaded gasoline, 95 RON or higher, is typically recommended for optimal performance and efficiency, which adds to running costs. Maintenance for turbo. While Toyota builds reliable turbos, forced induction systems add components that can wear out, e.g., turbocharger itself, intercooler, associated plumbing, compared to naturally aspirated engines. Common faults and breakdowns. Vacuum regulating valve VRV issues, as per Lexus service bulletins, e.g., LSB 0153-17. Early 8AR FTS engines in certain Lexus models, NX, GS, IS, RC, could exhibit a rocking sensation or buzzing noise due to a faulty VRV. This was addressed by replacing the valve and associated hose. Valve guide leaks. A less common but more serious issue reported on some very early units involved valve guide leaks at low mileage. This would typically be covered under warranty. ECU/engine management anomalies. Some users have reported abnormal fuel pressure, shaky idle, performance drops, or turbocharger overboost issues that were attributed to complex engine management system glitches requiring dealership intervention and reprogramming. Carbon buildup, mitigated but possible. While the D4ST system, port and direct injection, is designed to minimize carbon buildup on intake valves, it's still a direct injected engine, so diligent maintenance and quality fuel are important. Severe carbon buildup is less common than in direct injection-only engines. Turbocharger issues. Like any turbocharged engine, there's always a potential for turbocharger-related issues, e.g., bearing wear, wastegate problems at very high mileages, though Toyota's turbos generally have a good reputation for durability. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption for the 8AR FTS is quite competitive for a turbocharged 2.0 engine. Lexus N times 200T divided by N times 300. Combined figures often range from 8.5 to 9.5 L/100 km, around 25 to 28 mpg US/30 to 33 mpg UK, depending on FWD/AWD and driving style. Lexus IS 200T/IS 300. Being a lighter sedan, it can achieve slightly better figures, potentially in the 7.8 to 8.8 L/100 km, around 27 to 30 mpg US/32 to 36 mpg UK combined. Actual fuel economy will vary significantly based on driving habits. Aggressive driving will use more fuel due to turbo boost, road conditions, and vehicle weight. Timing. The Toyota 8AR FTS engine uses a timing chain system. This is a robust design intended to last the entire lifespan of the engine, meaning no scheduled replacement intervals like with a timing belt. The dual VVTIW system, which allows for both Otto and Atkinson cycle operation, controls valve timing via actuators. Oil. Recommended engine oil. Toyota strongly recommends 0W, 20 full synthetic engine oil for the 8AR FTS to ensure optimal performance, fuel economy, and protection for the turbocharger. The owner's manual for your specific vehicle will provide the definitive recommendation. Engine oil capacity. The oil capacity is typically around 4.9 liters, 5.2 US quarts, with a filter change. Always verify with your owner's manual and check the dipstick after filling. Given it's a turbocharged engine, regular oil level checks are even more important. Versions. The 8AR FTS itself is a specific variant, 2.0 turbocharged with D, 4ST, and VVT-iW. While there aren't significantly different versions of the 8AR FTS itself, it is part of the larger Toyota AR engine family. The 8AR FTS stands out as the primary turbocharged gasoline engine in the AR family, marking Toyota/Lexus's push into downsized, forced induction powertrains for broader market appeal and emissions compliance. In conclusion, the Toyota 8AR FTS is a technologically advanced and generally reliable turbocharged engine that delivers a satisfying blend of power and efficiency for the vehicles it powers. While its complexity means some potential for more involved repairs than simpler NA engines, its dual injection system addresses common DI issues, and its overall reliability remains in line with Toyota's reputation, especially in later production years. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.